All right, welcome to the new norm. I've got a 2024 Ram Rebel 1500, and I've been told that the AVS Bugflector II will not fit. Let's see. I bought one, my own money and all that, standard disclaimers, and all I've done so far is open the end of the box. So my plan is to take it out of the box, go to the front, show you the dry fit. Hopefully it works. Online, I've seen some people say that it may or it may not, but we're going to learn together. Let's see how it goes. Okay, what I have here is a Bugflector II AVS. Let's see, it's supposed to fit the 5th gen Ram other than the Rebel and TRX. I've looked online and it looks like the sport hood that's on the Rebel is on a lot more than just the Rebel. So this is supposed to go about like that. Hopefully it does. Let's take a look. As I say, all I've done so far is open the box. So we got to take some plastic off. So for tools, it's looking like all we're going to need is a screwdriver and a little puller to get, chummies out. I'll show you the chummies. It's a good word, chummies. All right, in the there's a QR code. Scan for installation instructions. So if anybody wants to see the installation instructions. All right, in there are little push pins. 6 of those, it appears. 6 little push pins to go into up here. And I will show where those are momentarily. All right. Strip the plastic off of this. And if anybody wants to know, that is the part number. All right. Okay, windy day. Leaving this like this, not the smartest thing I've ever done. Okay, that's going to go like that. I'm going to leave that like that, and I'll show you. So you can see these tabs, they line up with little push pins here. So you remove the ones that you're not going to need. So that would be that one, so it's the middle of 3, the first of 2, and the very end. So I'll go ahead and try to remove those. So the clips are very brittle in the cold. Got one out successfully without damaging too much. Anybody see what I did with the package of screws? And with the magic of television, I didn't just waste a good 10-15 minutes searching for the clips that I threw out with the plastic. Yep. I don't get paid to be smart. Okay, I know I'm going to hear about this, all the stuff I'm doing wrong, but, you know, if you've ever done anything like this, please let me know how I've messed this up in the comments. Thank you. I'm inclined to do by the magic of television. Look, there it's done. I have an idea. These are the little push pins with the screw. You screw it in and it expands. It'll screw in a ways, but then when you get to about there, it doesn't want to screw anymore. And so I figured out that you actually need to push it in flush with this collar and then push the screw in. Seems to be the way it goes. And then you'll give it maybe another quarter turn on the screw head. Anyway, it's worked for a couple of them. Let's carry on. Okay, if I take the screw out like that, sorry if the mic isn't very good, just using the phone's mic right now. Anyway, I do like that. Hang on, push it through that rubber, and I don't know if you can see the slot there, that slot that it fits in. And then, in behind that, there is a hole. I guarantee. I've seen it. I know it's there. I pulled something else out of it. Oh, losing the thing and one-handed and lots of fun. And let's see. I don't know if you can see, but I sure as heck can't. Oh, look at that. It goes in. Now I cannot put the screw in one-handed, so I'll show you as soon as I'm done. Okay, there's the screw in, and I'm holding it. Okay, there's the screw in, and I'm holding it flush. Next, I'll screw in the screw into the push pin, and it should stay like that one. And what do you know, it worked. That one went in. So that means I got one more to do. I don't think I'm going to have to drill any holes. Oh no, I got two more to do. What am I talking about? I'll get back to you as soon as these are in. I hope I don't have to drill any holes, but this side actually came off looking not too bad. I'll have to show you what this looks like. I can't wait to see it myself when it's done. Oh great, it's starting to snow. So something I've noticed, you see how the rubber runs underneath it there, and you get right around here and it goes up underneath. Yeah, there you can see the rubber goes underneath the lip. So oh, there's me with my phone. Anyway, you have to pull that down out from underneath so that you still get that weather seal. And over here as well. That's an after it's done, but I'm not quite done because I still have one left to do. And there, that's the last one. And I've pulled all the rubber out from the edge. Alrighty. That's good. Alright, let's let's close her up. Oh, look at that. Looky, looky. Yeah, Air Force sticker. And yeah, my pilot wings. How do you know when a pilot enters the building? Don't worry, he'll tell you. Yeah, 35 years flying military helicopters. Yeehaw. Okay. Well. Okay, so that was the very poor installation of AVS Bugflector II on a 2024 Ram Rebel 1500. Can't speak to TRX or anything like that, but hey, it says this what is it, 259 53 part number from AVS is all 5th gen Ram Rebel, Ram 1500s, excluding the Rebel and the TRX, but seems to fit, seems to work okay. Anyway, does anybody have any questions? Okay, I guess that's a wrap. Yeah, if you have anything, please stick it in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. One tool that you might want to invest in before doing this: it gets dark underneath the hood of that truck, and a hat with a light is a great idea, and a pair of reading glasses if you're older than dirt like myself. Anyway, thanks. This has been the new norm. Well, the old norm. I'm trying to be a new norm. Thanks.